Okay, so we had a beautiful plan to go to
Where's platform 7?
Zadar. There, it's right there. We have to go now. To go to Zadar through Dhaka. And the train is full. Everything is full. The conductor's not, the ticket guy is not being helpful. He just told us that there might be a free bed to Rijeka if we speak to the conductor. So we're gonna go speak to the conductor.
If there's any free beds on
Zagreb?
Rijeka.
Rijeka, ja.
Yeah?
Rijeka, okay. Ticket?
Interrail. You took us.
It smells a bit like soylent.
So do a wash, do a little rinsey. No, with wine. Yeah, you do that like when you're switching from red to white, you do a quick rinse with the glass. And then switch it, protein shake it.
I drink it or pour it?
You drink it?
You can drink it.
You can drink it.
Actually, later.
I think that was about 900 forints.
It's like €1.
I know you're probably sick of hearing it, but you resemble Robert Pattinson quite a bit.
He's a good looking guy.
Yeah.
I think that would work for like, I look like Steve Buscemi. Is it Steve Buscemi or Buscemi?
What's your name, by the way?
I'm Dave King.
Dave?
Yeah, Dave.
Niki.
Not like that.
You can do it on the train.
I guess.
So we're on this death train where you can't go that way because there's a monster and there's no water or food, so we're about to look for it. You could eat a raw potato with it.
Oh yeah, okay.
This
potato looks so
is
good.
night train meals, raw potato with ketchup. You took a bigger bite than I did. You have to do it easy because it's hard on your stomach.
Oh, I'll try it. John Anderson.
Pretend to take them out.
Oh no, that is better than it should be.
Okay, really?
Try it!
It's just really starchy, but it's really, really lovely.
Like now I feel judged if I don't do it.
Just try, just to realize it's not that
I'm
bad.
just curious, really.
It's like some hardcore peer pressure going down. God, eat that.
Not that bad. Take a piece of lettuce.
No, seriously, Ben.
Alright, do you need like a bowl?
Why have you got bowl?
I'm sure we could think of something. I need more light for this to be proper.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, so the potato is the food and the bowl.
Indeed. It's actually quite fancy.
This morning I was like, I should just boil all the potatoes and bring them. And then I was like, we'll never be that hungry.
Oh
my god.
It got weird. Would you like to dip some raw potato in the potato dipper?
Thank you.
No, come on, everyone else has done it.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
I don't like this peer pressure in this.
Wait, let me garnish it.
Oh, have you got pepper?
No, I've got rice.
Oh, that's so much worse.
If you lick it, it almost tastes like a cooked potato from.
Not good.
Why are we doing this by choice? We could just not do it.
I know, it's like I'm not even that hungry.